Hi viewer, welcome to our YouTube channel English Factory. Today we are going to discuss some words that most of the people pronounce it wrong. Mispronunciation of such a word will be corrected today. So the very first word, that is a Wednesday. Most of the people pronounce it as a Wednesday. The pronunciation of the Wednesday is completely wrong. Here the D is silent. So we will pronounce this word as a Wednesday, not a Wednesday. It should be Wednesday. The S will sound as a Z, Wednesday. The second word is most commonly that most of the people pronounce it athlete. It should be pronounced athlete. Athlete. There should be, we can say, double E, athlete. And the third most common word, that is a hotel. Most of the people pronounce it hotel. So it should be pronounced as hotel, hotel. So the very common words, that's pronunciation itself, we can say as the pronoun spelling is, we can say that's pronoun, pronouns. But when it's become noun as this one, this is not a pronunciation. It should be pronounced as pronunciation. Why it's pronunciation? The very common thing is the in pronouns words, we have here a little bit of difference in the spelling. So look, here is none. Not a completely noun word, but it's not a noun. When it's become a noun, it should be pronounced as pronunciation. How? Pronunciation. So the pronunciation is wrong. We will pronounce it as a pronunciation. The last word we're going to discuss is cloth. It should not be pronounced as clothes. Most of the people pronounce it as a clothes, but it's completely wrong. The first thing is that we will skip, the E is here silent, and the S will pronounce the sound like Z. So cloths, cloths. So these are the words we have discussed. Now come towards these two words that most people as commonly pronounce, we can say same, not same, but there is a difference. How we will pronounce the first one and how will we pronounce the second. So look, the first word, look at desert, desert. The second one is desert. Desert means, as we can say in the Urdu, Sahara. So desert, and this is desert. Desert means some sweets, etc. So I think that's enough for the today's session. We'll meet in the next session.